Hello everyone, my name is Prajjita Bardoloi and I'm a physician, a psychiatrist in Alberta, Canada, and today is 25th March 2020. I know you all are going through the same concerns with COVID-19 as I am, and I just came back from work after a long stressful day and seeing how the numbers are increasing every day around the world by people getting infected by COVID-19. So I thought of sharing this video to you all, and I'm also planning to post some regular videos in YouTube for all of you so that we can share our thoughts about this pandemic. As you all are going through the lockdown period in India, so I'm especially dedicating this video to my friends in India. This is the day 2 of lockdown in India. It has started yesterday, the 24th of March, and I know many of you are expressing your concerns about how things are going to be in this period. So I asked my friends yesterday about what they're feeling. I know it is a stressful and anxiety-provoking stage, and we all are worried about our loved ones. So I asked them if they would like to talk about what they're experiencing and what's going through their mind. And some of my friends have actually said that they're quite anxious about it, and they said their biggest concern is about what to expect in the next few days or few weeks, because they're worried if it is going to stop the spread of the COVID-19. And they're also worried about the people who are not following the government instructions. One of my friends actually told me she is quite stressed about all the information in the internet, because everywhere there's talk about coronavirus, and everyone's talking about what are different things and different perspectives. There is rumors at the same time, and as well as fake news are spreading in the internet. So that's quite anxiety provoking. So how do we manage all those informations and misinformations? And I totally agree with my friends that it's a very difficult period. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to talk about the stress that we go through in situations like this, and how to minimize those stress. Obviously, talking to our friends is helpful, and also taking care of your health, and take this time as a time to a gift for you, actually, to look at your own personal health, as well as catch up with things that you have been planning to do. For example, reading a book that you have been trying to read all these years but you have never been able to, or watching a movie that you have been thinking about but you didn't get time to. And not to worry too much, because worrying will not solve anything. If we could solve problems just by worrying, we could have solved a lot of problems by now. So not worrying is the first step. We can solve problems by not worrying, and when our brain is more calmer, that's when we become more creative and our problem solving skills come out. So friends, stay healthy, stay happy, don't worry, and we will talk again in the next few weeks. So send me your questions about anything related to mental health, especially in this COVID-19 situation, and I'll try my best to discuss with you guys about those questions. Thank you.